Hundreds of frustrated residents met a week after a 6-alarm fire forced them out of their homes. Tonight, they were hoping to learn more about their legal rights, but many walked away feeling disappointed and that they've been left without many options.
Currently, I'm in DoubleTree Hotel till 31st of this month, and after that, I don't know where I'll go.
That's the issue hundreds of tenants from 650 Parliament are facing. More than 1,000 residents were told they would not be able to return to their units for the foreseeable future after a 6-alarm electrical fire last week that started in the basement.
Till September 4th, I'm staying at a hotel, but after that, I'll have to probably rent a room somewhere. I've tried to look for apartments. Everything is taken.
Residents have been told it could be weeks, even months, before the repairs are made. Some have been put up short-term in hotels by the city. Others have temporary accommodations covered by their insurance. But with little information about how long they'll be out, many are at a loss about what to do next.
With the short notice, no apartments are available around this area, and it will be really hard finding place to stay. I have a 3-year-old kid, and so his school is about to start in a week.
They need to be housed. They're feeling very anxious, very uptight, very angry. They need a place to stay, and the city has done their due diligence. The owner really needs to put a plan in action and communicate that to people.
Area Councillor Lucy Troisi says the city has done what it can, given that this is a private rental building. Mayor Tory says after an appeal for help from the public Tuesday, the response has been overwhelming. More than $32,000 has been donated to the Red Cross, and the city has received over 100 offers for accommodation.
The city staff have been working with the owner, so there is still that connection between the city and the owner. So we haven't abandoned anything. In fact, the mayor and I will ensure that this owner is accountable.
Holding the landlord accountable is what many residents were hoping to learn more about at a meeting tonight, where a paralegal was invited to speak to the crowd.
We're hoping to educate them on what avenues of legal avenues they can take. Once that's done, if they want to retain our services, they're happy to do so, but essentially we'll educate them on whatever rights they have.
Residents have been getting conflicting advice about a waiver form they were asked to sign in order to retrieve their belongings from their units. And many have questions about whether a class action lawsuit could be feasible.
It's my understanding that it might not be a possibility because the Landlord Tenant Board has exclusive jurisdiction over a landlord and tenant issue. I recommend you guys seek independent legal advice.
But after being told they were better off hiring lawyers individually, many left here disappointed and disheartened.
I know they're trying to help, but they didn't give us any answers as what we have to do next. So we're pretty much on our own as of now.
And yesterday, Mayor Tory had also made an appeal for clothing and back-to-school items. Those will be distributed Saturday morning at Rose Avenue Public School. Anyone looking to make donations or offer up accommodations to affected tenants can visit our website for more information on how to do that at citynews.ca.